Watch this one window. Right now it's closing a company's month-end finance books. Then, same window, same session, it spins up a full sales proof of concept. Then it turns around and reviews a pull request. One agent, three completely different jobs. And here's the part that should stop you cold. The company that built this isn't testing it on you. OpenAI says nearly every team inside its own walls, finance, sales, all of it, already runs on this thing. Today. This isn't a demo. It's OpenAI handing its own payroll to an agent and pointing it straight at Claude. Let's be honest about the fear sitting underneath this. For 2 years, AI assisted you. It answered. It suggested. It stayed in its little chat box. And the thing you actually feared was the day it stopped assisting the seat and started filling it. That day just landed. OpenAI didn't ship a smarter chatbot. It shipped an employee. It's called ChatGPT Work. It runs on a brand new model called GPT 5.6, and it is aimed directly at Claude Cowork, Anthropic's agent that planted a flag on this exact ground months ago. OpenAI just fired back. Welcome back to Everyday AI School, where we cut the fluff and pack every second with value. By the end of these 4 minutes, you'll know exactly what changed, the real jobs it's already swallowing, and the one move that keeps you the person holding the leverage instead of being replaced by it. Let's get into it. Here's the shift almost everyone is going to miss. GPT 5.6 quietly folded Codex, OpenAI's coding agent, directly into ChatGPT. The coder and the analyst are now the same agent, in the same window, across web, mobile, and desktop. And this is not niche. More than 5 million people already use Codex every single week, and over 1 million of them are already using it for work that has nothing to do with code. So the tool that used to write your functions now writes your budget. But here's the signal that actually matters, not the flashy demo, who's living inside it. OpenAI says nearly 100% of its own teams now hand their work to this one agent. When the company building the thing bets its entire operation on it, that's not marketing. That's a company running its own payroll on the product. So what does that actually look like in practice? In sales, OpenAI says a single discovery call became a tailored proof of concept in 24 hours, a job that normally eats weeks. The agent structured the notes, routed the request to a solutions architect, and worked with the technical team itself. In finance, month-end close and forecasting dropped from days to hours. The agent finds the source data, moves it into sheets, reconciles it, builds the slides, verifies the numbers. And the human's job stops being assembly. It becomes judgment. And this isn't just OpenAI's own house. According to OpenAI, Zapier used it to surface 7 figures in missed pipeline. A manager at RingCentral went from supporting 1 product manager to roughly 50. At NVIDIA, it swallowed the Excel workflow that used to eat 40% of one person's pre-event time. 3 companies, 3 headcount-shaped outcomes, already shipping. But here's where almost everyone gets it wrong. The scary part isn't that it does tasks. Tools have done tasks for years. It's that it does the coordination between them. It stays on one project for hours, breaks a goal into steps, and with scheduled tasks, it keeps working while you sleep, turning new Slack and Teams messages into updated docs on its own. That connective tissue, chasing the thread across a dozen apps, was the actual job. That was the seat. And this is the exact ground Claude Cowork staked out first. The difference now? OpenAI folded its coding agent into the same body. I have called overhyped launches on this channel before. This one, I think we're underrating. So here's your move. And this is the good news. Codex isn't gone. It's living inside the new ChatGPT desktop app. The same coding agent, now with pull request review right in the side panel, inline edits inside the diff, and multiple repos in a single project. And that desktop app, Chat, Work, and Codex together, is on every plan, including free. The leverage is sitting right there for you to grab first, because the company that shipped the employee already runs on it. The only real question left is which side of it you end up on. The one directing the agent, or the one it quietly replaces. Go open it and make sure you're the first. Hit that subscribe button to keep your infrastructure ahead of the curve, and I'll see you in the next one.